Complimentary beef. Bông. Okay lah ini, for me okay. This is the Dana Beach Club. Is part of the home resort. Some free gifts from the spa. So we choose what's this one? Shower gel. Shower gel. I don't know what it is. Milk bath. Wow. How? Good. Refresh.
Yes.
Energize. Same. That's why I said just now. I feel like I want to run. Waiting for the buggy to arrive. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, Kak.
Right. Oh, rupanya ni. The whole time we also don't know.
Kita tak pernah pergi.
Pasal semalam we don't know this is a Thai restaurant. What do you say? Welcome drinks, right?
Welcome.
You got your flower there.
Welcome flower.
Jumpa minum.
Oh, fish cake.
Wow, this is cute. We got the keropok. So this one what dip into it, is it? Okay. Wow. Wow, pedas. Quite spicy, right?
Can lah.
You should try this. This one is nice also. Try that. This one is my favorite. See the taste. One scoop enough for you, is it?
Enough now.
Okay. Okay.
If not enough, can I ask more?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Please enjoy your mangoes.
Yes.
And don't forget to ask me if you want to have some more rice.
Okay, can. No problem. Just one scoop. This one. So is the main one. So is the appetizer. So sayang, last breakfast. Yeah. Last breakfast.
Don't know.
What do?
Tengok.
Last day apa?
Yalah. Balik dia makan.
After lunch, but at Singapore.